Okay. So let's just start from the beginning. Let's see what are prepositions. Okay. So prepositions are like little detectives in English sentences. They always want to know where, when, and how of something. Okay. So let's start. So prepositions connect a noun or a pronoun to other words in a sentence and show place, time, direction, or more. So if I give you this sentence, okay, the dog is under the table. So the word under, which you see here, as you can see on your screen, the word under tells us where the dog is. So without it, we would just say the dog is in the table, right? And that makes no sense at all. So prepositions are small words, but they are very powerful words because they connect the noun or the pronoun to other words in the sentence and give us some more information about it. So they tell us about the place, that is where something is. They tell us about the time, when something happens. And finally, they tell us about direction, that is where something is going. So they help describe where, when, and how of things happening. Okay. So if I say the sentence, the cat is sitting dash the sofa. What can you fill up in the blank? The cat is sitting dash the sofa. What can I fill it up with? Can you give me an answer? Can you repeat yourself? What did you say? Okay, do one thing, put it in the chat box. I'll see it written, okay? Put it in the chat box. So what I'm asking you is, the cat is sitting the sofa. What is the answer for this? Okay, yes, that's correct. On is a good answer. Now, if I give you another sentence, which is the ball rolled dash the bed. So what do you think I can fill it up with? What kind of preposition do you think fits here? I mean, you can say on, but can you tell me another preposition which can work out? Yes, that's correct. The ball rolled under the bed. See, you are already using preposition like a grammar superhero. You see this, right? All these words like on, under, above, below, all these words are prepositions. So, prepositions are very important words that help us connect a noun or a pronoun to other words in the sentence by showing us place, time, direction, and more. So, it gives us more information about things, about anything that is mentioned in the sentence. They tell us about the place, they tell us about the time, and they tell us about the direction of something. Okay, so this is a basic overview of what prepositions are. So let's move on to